What's up guys, Coach AP here, and I wanted to introduce you to the hang clean or the power clean. This is one of the most challenging lifts that you can do, and the reason is because it works your entire body. I'm talking about your calves, your thighs, your hamstrings, your quads, your chest, your back, your abs, your shoulders, the whole 9 yards. However, it's also one of the lifts that you can most easily injure yourself. So it's important to do it with proper form and technique, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So I want to teach you this lift in segments. The first is just your positioning. You want to make sure that your feet are pretty much like shoulder width apart, just slightly outside your shoulders with your toes facing forward. Your torso is square, your shoulders are square, your hips are square. Okay, that's number one. You want to grab the bar about shoulder width apart, no wider than that for this lift. Okay, now let's start with the base motion. So typically there will be some weight on the bar, so the bar is only going to go to, let's say, here on the floor. So you're going to start on the floor in a bended position. Your back should be flat. Your head is up, but not raised, but your head is up, it's not down. Okay, your eyes are facing forward. So you want to be here. Your shoulders are back, and you have to sink your butt. Okay, the bar should be just up against your shins. Here. This is the position you want to be in to start. And this requires quite a bit of strength in your quads, your hamstrings, and balance. So you're here, you're not rocking, your eyes are up. Okay, that's first position, let's call it. From the first position, you're then going to bring the bar up along your shins, not hitting them, but along them, above your knees, and you're essentially going to do a shrug. So you're going to come up, shrug. So that's the second move we're going to practice, the shrug. The shrug portion of the power clean. Come here, up, shrug it. It's a shoulder shrug, and this is why all of your body is being used. Also, on that upward motion, you're not coming up with your back, okay? Your hips are all moving in one motion. So it's basically a quad focus exercise for the first portion of this lift. Coming up, shrug, okay? That shrug is how you're getting that bar up. So that way you can get up underneath it to do the equivalent of a front squat. So we're gonna come here, shrug, okay? When the weight is heavy, it's really important that you get this bar up so that there's enough room for you to get up underneath the bar. And you don't wanna catch it here. The goal in segment 3 is to catch the bar, elbows up, okay? And you're gonna catch it in a front squat position on the downward portion of that squat. So you're gonna catch it here, okay? So we come here, shrug, catch, push, okay? So you're catching it on the bottom of a front squat. You're finishing the lift by coming all the way up, okay? Let's try that again. Catching it on the bottom of the front squat. Here, catch, push, okay? So, lift, shrug, catch, push. So I guess it's 4 segments, okay? Lift, shrug, catch, push. I know that wasn't simple, but that's how you front squat. Give it a try. Start with light weight, move your way up. Remember the 4 segments: lift, shrug, catch, push, front squat. You got this.